Hello, I'm T. Hoffman, and I'm the Managing Principal at Law Strategy Coach. I hope everybody has had a great weekend. Well, I just returned from doing a practice group retreat for a large firm, and one of the things that they wanted to address as practice group leaders was how to inspire their practice group members to do more business development. Well, the one thing that I always tell practice group leaders, if you want your group to do certain things, then you have to mimic the behavior that you want them to have. In other words, as the leader, you've got to set the precedent that this is an important part of practicing law. They have to see you doing it. They have to see you discussing it. They have to see you celebrating your victories in the area of business development. So make sure that you're mimicking the behavior that you want your practice group members to have. Secondly, it's important that you include in your practice group meetings 15 or 20 minutes to discuss business development activities, both successes and failures. I will tell you, it's great to discuss successes because everybody really enjoys those things, but failures are equally as important because you can discuss ways to overcome obstacles that you may have faced. The third thing I tell practice group leaders is to focus on your 80%, 70%, whatever it is. There are a certain number of people in your practice group who will never do business development or want to go out and meet with clients or attract new clients. And that's okay, but don't spend a lot of time on those folks making them go and do it. Make sure the people who really want to do it are trained. And let's face it, everybody can be trained, but you really want to spend your energy, your positive energy, on the people who really want to get out and do the hard work that it takes to attract and retain new clients. There are people who want to be worker bees, and my opinion is let them be worker bees. The Pareto principle says, you've got that 20% of people who may never do anything. Just don't spend time worrying about that 20%. The last thing I will tell you that you need to do is talk to your individual practice group members one-on-one. Find out where their strengths are. Find out what they enjoy doing. Find out how they've gotten business in the past. Have those conversations. Set aside 1 hour a week just to pick up the phone and talk to 2 or 3 practice group members one-on-one. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this bit of information I've shared with you today, and I hope that if you need a practice group retreat or you would like for your practice group leaders to learn more about being a successful group, please let me know at t@lawstrategycoach.com, and I hope you'll check out our online training as well, which is at lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com. Again, lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com. Now go and have a great week, and we'll see you next week on another 2-Minute Tuesday.